If you want to capture a screenshot with a gesture on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you can easily do that by using 3 fingers. So you can swipe with 3 fingers on the screen towards the bottom like this, and as you can see, we can capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen in order to capture a partial screenshot. You can select the area that you wish to capture, and then of course you can save it once you are done with the screenshot. You can also change the shape of the screenshot by choosing one of these. You can start all over, you can share, edit, or save. And of course we can remove the screenshot by pressing X in the top left corner. Now these gestures can be enabled and disabled, so if they don't work for you, you can go to settings, scroll all the way down and choose additional settings. Then over here go to gesture screenshots, and then we have take a screenshot with these with this gesture, slide 3 fingers down. This can be enabled and disabled, and the same goes with partial screenshot, as you can see over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!